Friends, if you all have an iPhone and you want to upload your photos and videos on iCloud, then you have come to the right video. Today, I will tell you how you can upload your iPhone photos and videos on your automatic iCloud. To upload it, you have to turn on a setting in your iPhone, and how to turn on that setting, I'm going to tell you in this video. If you haven't liked the video yet, then like it quickly. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't turned on the bell yet, then turn it on. If you want to upload any photo or video on iCloud, then you have to come to your iPhone settings. Here you have to come to your profile, then you have to click on iCloud. Now it will show you the storage here. And if you want to upload photos, then click on Photos. Then you have to turn on the Sync, this iPhone setting. As soon as you click on it, it will tell you that your storage in the iPhone is telling you that my 8.4 GB storage is in my iPhone. And while my iCloud has 2.7 GB free storage, I can upload that much on iCloud. If I go to upload more than that, then I will have to upgrade the plan or buy the storage. Although I don't want to buy, I wanted to tell you. So I am telling you that you just have to turn on this setting here. As soon as you turn it on, your work will be finished. Whatever photo and video will be in this app, it will be uploaded on your iCloud. You just have to turn on this setting. I am not turning on this setting. I told you the reason for this because I have less storage. If you also have less storage, then it will give you the same message. So you understand what to do. Buy this storage or stop uploading. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. And if you haven't liked this video, then quickly like it. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel. And we will meet in the next video. Till then.